What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryan and today I'm gonna be teaching you the choreography that I made to the song Belong to You by Sabrina. Yeah, Sabrina Claudio. Alright, so let's start. Alright, let's start. So from here, you're gonna go pump your chest. 1. So this one is actually bouncing. 1, go to your left. 2, cross. 3, 4. Hips on 5, sit on 6, look up on 7. So for this one, your weight is on your right. 7, change weight to your left. Then you sit like this. Alright? Then your face. Bite your lips. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, and a 3, 4, 5, 6. Look up on 7, sit on 8. One more time. This is 1. Make sure you scoop like you're in the water. 2, 3, 4. So going front. 4, everything is going front. Up 5, 6, 7, sit on 8. Alright, next. So from here, 2 counts, 2 counts. Just away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest 5. Out on 6. Head on 7. Hips on 8. So this is going 8. Sexy. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's try the first and second 8 combined. Here we go. From here, 5, 6, 7, chest, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sit, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, chest, 6, away, 8. Next, from here, hips. Remember, this is hips, not the head. It's gonna go hips. So 7, 8 from here. You're gonna go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look back on 7, 8, 7 and 8. Alright, so this is 7 and 8. Let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit 5, 6. Look. And 1, 2 counts. 3, 4. Chest. Head. And 8. Here we go. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. Oops. Good job. Alright, next from here. Let's do it slowly. This one. It's a bit confusing. Let's do hand, front. 1, open on 2, grab on 3, punch on 4. Copy? Then you're gonna go 5, 6. This one, se, ben, and da. 8. Get it? Let's try one more time. 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And smile. Good job. Let's start from the beginning. Good luck. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips. 5, 6, 7. Sit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest. 5, 6. Head. 7, 8. Go. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Let's do slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And look up on 1. Okay, next, from here, down. So 7, 8. Lift on 1, 2, 2, open on 3, not on 4. For this one, your left is holding your weight. 3 and 4. Then give me freestyle. 5 and 6, 7, drop on 8. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, drop. Everybody drop on 8. Alright, so just simple. So from here, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, not on 4, 5, 6, 7, drop on 8. For the last time, 7, 8, go 1, 2, open, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Next, this one, just go up on 1, 2, 3, click. Go 4, swing, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy? Then you're gonna go 5, 6, go 7, drop on 8. One more time. 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, drop on 8. Okay? Then give me pose on 1. Any pose. Pose. Alright, let's try. Let's try from down. 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Add lib. 6, 7, 8, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, front. 7, 8, pose. Good job. Let's try from the beginning. Here we go. Hey Siri, I'm not talking to you. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sit. 2, 3, 4, chest. 6, head. 7. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, slowly. 5, 6, 7, up. 1, 2, grab. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, swing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Pose. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like the choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment on my video. Alright? Stay safe. Bye bye. See you next time.